Look at this room. What a wonderful sight. Toys on the floor. It feels just right. Should I clean now? Oh no, not a hater. I'll clean up later. Blocks over here and crumbs over there. Wrappers and spills. I don't really care. Teacher might ask, but I think I may wait. Why? Because I'll clean up later. Hey, look at them. Tidy and neat. Picking up toys from their side of the street. Me? I'm still playing. No rush, no waiter. I'll clean up later. Teacher's got hands on her hips, giving that stare. That look is saying, Carious, you better care. I scratch my head, smile even greater because I think I will wait and clean up later. Their side is clean, shiny and bright. My side looks like a snack time fight. Maybe waiting wasn't so clever. Let me ask you, should I clean up later? Sweep and scoop, pick it up faster. Wow, this mess is a cleaning disaster. I should have cleaned when it was smaller, not later, later, later. Now it's clean from floor to wall. Teacher is all smiles, snacks for all. Next time, I won't be a procrastinator. I'll be sure to clean up now and don't wait till later.